the Philippines has placed all its commercial airports on heightened alert. On Friday, the Civil Aviation Authority said that cautious steps were being implemented after an anonymous warning was received. The warning reportedly said that bombs could go off on planes headed out of Manila, including to several tourist hotspots. In a media advisory, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, said that immediate enhanced security measures were being implemented at 42 commercial airports across the country. The CAAP said that the warnings were being verified. The warning had been sent by email to air traffic services about a threat to flights out of the capital Manila headed to Davao, Bicol, and the popular tourist regions of Palawan and Cebu. CAAP said that while the information is currently under validation, immediate enhanced security measures are being implemented across all airports. CAAP did not say when the warning was made. On Friday, the aviation regulator released to the media an October 4th memo of the order given to airport security managers to beef up security, thoroughly inspect baggage, and conduct round-the-clock surveillance after receiving the email threat. The October 4th memo included a screenshot of what it said was the threat, which did not contain the word bomb, but said that an airplane will explode at Manila's International Airport today and the word "Please beware." The anonymous email said that Cebu, Palawan, Bicol, and Davao would be hit. A source at Philippines Airlines declined to be identified because they were not authorized to speak to the media. They said that the flag carrier was operating business as usual. A spokesperson at Cebu Pacific Air said that the airline was following usual protocols. Transport Secretary Jamie Bautista said that patrols had been increased, K9 units deployed at all terminals of Manila's International Airport, and law enforcement agencies were coordinating closely. Bautista said that there is no expected impact on any scheduled flights. He said that they would ensure that protocols are in place to ensure everyone's safety and security.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.